Did you know $10 can really help you? How can it help you? It can help you save money for an emergency fund because it is a small amount of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Now, this is a 52-week savings challenge, and that can help you too because we're working with small amounts of money and time. So join me in this savings challenge that can help you save money for your emergency fund. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is a game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy if you have some money to tap into when an emergency comes. Yes, you will. Trust me. And I know there are some people that are not saving money for emergency. And that's why I'm creating these videos, to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for an emergency fund. Now, I realize sometimes somebody's situation may be this. But like I said, if you take small amounts of money, every time you get some money, however you make your money, put it away to the side, it will add up over time. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 3, which I do on Wednesdays. And I just got through filming Tuesdays. Okay? So, what you need for this savings challenge is something like this, and this is considered cash stuffing. This is just a little photo album that I picked up out of Dollar Tree when I was in there one time. It was $1.25, and it has 50 pages. And what we're going to do is stuff this with, see this? $10 bills, okay? This is a $10 bill. And once it's all stuffed, it will equal $500. Now, we know we need to save at least $1,000, and that would cover emergency to $1,000. Now, once this is all stuffed, you can stuff it again. Do it twice. 500 to 500. That's $1,000. Okay? You know, sometimes when we see it that way, sometimes depending on our situation, we say, oh, $1,000. That could seem like a lot of money for people. Okay? But when you say 500, well, that may be doable. Okay, so, you know, and you don't have to get this particular photo album. When I saw this photo album, they had some, and I only got one at the time. And then I kept thinking, oh, I should have got more than one. And then they came back here recently. I saw them, they're in the section where the photo frames are on the end cap. Okay, and they had quite a few. And then I went back to that store to get them some more. They didn't have them, but I went to another store, so they had them again. But if you can't find this at Dollar Tree, you go on Amazon. They sell them, Temu, TikTok, things like that. Now, if you want to get one with 100 pages, that's your $1,000 right there. Okay? All right, so we want to save that $1,000, and we want to save at least 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. That way, if something like this happens, you will still have money to pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, and buy food. You can keep things going for 3 to 6 months. Just like last year when all those people lost their jobs. you know, if they had this money 3 to 6 months of their living expenses, it keeps us from being stressed out. It keeps us with a peace of mind. Yes. So, and also if you have things like this going on, you'll have money to tap into to take care of that stuff. Now, it will keep us from having to go get one of these, and run up a bunch of these. Okay? All right. And another thing that will help: live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Stay out of this. And go to the grocery store, buy food, and meal prep. That will help you also save money. And if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee, you can buy it at the store or any other coffee. That way you won't be going through this drive-through 2 and 3 and 4 times a week. And you can save money. And if you meal prep, that will keep you from eating out, because eating out is expensive. Yes, it is. Okay? All right. And another thing, if you can, start doing whatever you can to come out of this. And drive without this. And get this paid off too. That will help you to save money towards your emergency fund and your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And you can take that money and invest, and you can build wealth with that. Okay? So, I think I went through all my cards. I think. Oh, you don't want to be in a situation when emergency comes. Okay, let's go ahead and speak our daily affirmations, because death and life is in the power of our tongue. We don't want to have no stinking thinking. We don't want to speak negative stuff. We want to speak positive things. Like, instead of saying I'm sick, say I'm well. Instead of saying I'm broke, I have more than enough money. You know, watch your speaking. Watch things that you speak. Okay? All right. I decree and I declare, money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare, I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare, I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare, I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare, my checking account, my savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree and I declare, all of my bills are paid in full, all my needs are met. I decree and I declare, I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare, I am financially free. I decree and I declare, I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare, I'm a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire right now in the mighty name of Jesus. See it in your mind. Visualize it. Expect it. Receive it. When you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Dream big. Think big. Remember, the sky is the limit of what you can have. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead and count our money. What we have saved in the beginning from 2026. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so we say $60 so far, and we're going to add this 10. That makes $70. Yay! Oh, where's my book? Oh, got you my book. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and record. Today is Wednesday, February the 11th. Valentine's Day is coming up. Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right. Today, this is our photo album savings hack. That's what I call this one. We added $10 and the total amount is $70. So now I'm all caught up. Okay? And hopefully you are. Do what you can when you can and how you can. Don't put yourself in a strain doing these savings challenges, okay? So, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.